How to share a link on Temu is a straightforward process that allows users to easily share their favorite products with friends and family. To begin, open the Temu app and navigate to the product you wish to share. Once you have found the product, click on the product details page. On this page, you will see a share icon, which is usually represented by 3 dots or an arrow. Click on this icon to open the share menu. In the share menu, you will see several options for sharing the product link, including social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, as well as messaging apps like WhatsApp and SMS. Choose the platform you wish to use to share the link. If you prefer to copy the link directly, you can do so by selecting the Copy Link option. This will copy the product link to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it into any messaging app, email, or social media platform. To share the link via social media, select the social media platform you wish to use and log in to your account if prompted. A pre-written post will be generated, including the product link and image. You can customize this post by adding your own text or comments before sharing it with your friends and followers. Best practices for sharing links on Temu include only sharing products that you have personally purchased or reviewed, and being transparent about any affiliate links or promotions. This helps to build trust with your audience and ensures a positive experience for everyone involved. By following these simple steps, you can easily share links to your favorite products on Temu and help others discover new and exciting items. Remember to always follow Temu's guidelines and terms of service when sharing links. And happy shopping!